Hello guys, welcome back to Dolly Shots. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about some of the Oscar-worthy Malayalam movies. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get more updates. Do it! Watch this video till the end to know more about the movies. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. The challenge for India's entry for the Oscars was very strong this time because of the brilliant movies that were released in the given time frame. From past 90 years, Oscar is considered to be the biggest milestone for any movie. Every year around the globe, thousands of movies were made, but very few of them were nominated for the Oscars. In today's video, we are talking about some of the Malayalam movies that are considered to be Oscar worthy. So let's start the video. Hero! So the first film is Vanaprastham. This movie made Mohanlal the tagline, India's answer to Marlon Brando. The theme of this movie is so fresh and artistic which made it into this list. An Indo-French production movie, Vanaprastham means the last dance. This movie is thoughtful and somber depiction of a Kathakali dancer whose father, who he never knew, and his son that he is not allowed to see. The movie also showcases the delicacy of caste system and failure to distinguish between reality and fantasy. The depth of the characters and the expressiveness of its music and dance made this movie special. The music of Zakir Hussain and the gorgeous cinematography of Robert Berta and Santosh Shivan gives richly rewarding experience. The movie won many awards like 3 national awards and 6 Kerala state awards. Also, it won special prize of the jury in Istanbul International Film Festival in 1999. The movie was also nominated for Grand Jury Prize in AFI Fest United States. It's an exceptional film and one of the best film Indian cinema has ever seen. In my opinion, this movie should have represented to Oscars that year. The second film is Madiligal. This movie is considered as a gem in Indian cinema. This movie was directed and produced by the ace director of Indian film industry, Adoor Gopalakrishnan. The movie was based on the autobiographical novel of Vaikom Muhammad Bashir by the same name. The movie starring Dr. Padmasri Bharat Mammootty as Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. The movie is driven by Mammootty's charismatic performance and his body language, which made him National Award and State Award for the Best Actor that year. The movie also won 3 other national awards, including Best Director for Adoor Gopalakrishnan. The movie shows no walls or obstructions can control the power of true love, which is divine.
എന്താ നാരായണി ഇത്ര സംശയം?
ഇവിടെ എന്നേക്കാൾ സുന്ദരിമാരുണ്ട്. ഞാൻ വലിയ സുന്ദരിയൊന്നുമല്ല.
ഞാനും സുന്ദരനൊന്നുമല്ല.
എനിക്കൊന്ന് കാണണം.
എനിക്കും ഒന്ന് കാണണം.
എൻ്റെ ദൈവമേ, ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് രാത്രി കിടന്ന് കരയും.
This periodic drama has an international theme about how human emotions plays in certain situations. Through their love story, we can see the image of the harsh circumstances in the prison cell. It won an award in the Venice Film Festival. This movie made a milestone in Indian cinema, which made this movie eligible in this list.
കമ്പറിഞ്ഞ് കൈയുടെ കോഴ പറഞ്ഞു.
ഞാൻ തടവി ശരിപ്പെടുത്താം.
എന്നാ കൈ തടവി ശരിപ്പെടുത്ത്. ഞാൻ മതിലിൽ കൊള്ളിച്ചു വെച്ചിരിക്കുക.
ഞാൻ ഈ മതിലിൽ തടവുന്നുണ്ട്, ചുംബിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്.
The third film is Amen. It's another milestone movie from Lijo Jose Pelliceri's Magical Hands. The film got top-notch visuals, magnificent narrative style, and superb performance from the entire cast. This is shockingly a spectacular experience that takes you to a different world. This movie is a story about fantasy and the reality that the character lives in. You may like the theme here or not, but there are chances that you may feel uncomfortable with the fart jokes and the use of some expletives. Also, the story tends to move along in a predictable way, especially towards the film's climax. But there is no way you can't be mesmerized by the visual spectacle. The sincerity of those who made this film is written in every frame. All the actors, regardless of the length of their roles, underlines their eminence with the well-written characters. When most of the films moves out of your mind minutes after you leave the theater, Amen just grabs you in a fantastic way. Considering the fantasy genre movies in every other languages, this is considered as one of a kind movie that made it into this list. The fourth film is Kumbalangi Nights. The movie is a story about four brothers and their complicated family history. The theme of the movie and the way the cast and crew tries to tell the story makes the movie unique and a universal theme. The individual stories of each and every character, their personal issues, and how they affect others around them made a huge impact in the story. This family symbolizes a broken vessel which is trying to get filled but spills all over the place. Hence, the metaphor of the movie makes us think about life in every perspective as possible. The cinematography in this movie is a slice of heaven itself. Shaiju Khalid shows his brilliance again in this movie, as well as the debut director Madhu C. Narayanan. The shimmering fish nets, the shades of greenery, the reflections of moonlight in blushed water are one-of-a-kind scenery in this movie that brings life to the movie when Sushin Shyam's music merged with it. The movie works as a quirky magic pot with a huge lyricism and melancholy in each and every frame of the movie. The fifth movie is Maheshinte Prathigaram. What goes around comes around. This is the simple definition that this movie showcases. The movie shows the life of a simple man who started a series of funny events which led to other events in the story that affect his life and the society around. The character Mahesh reflects an entire society that we live in. The movie showcases revenge, broken heart, embarrassment, reputation and ego of a human.
ചേട്ടന് ഇതിനെപ്പറ്റി വലിയ ധാരണയില്ലല്ലേ? ഇതിപ്പോ എന്താ ചേട്ടാ? എന്റെ തിരിച്ചറിയൽ കാർഡിലേക്കാളും കുറച്ചുകൂടെ തെളിച്ചുള്ള ഫോട്ടോ.
Like the definition of butterfly effect, the phenomenon whereby a minute localized change in a complex system can have large effects elsewhere. This is the main theme of the movie. Every characters and the moments in this movie are memorable. The simple tale has a lot of heart put into it, and the incidents makes it more strong and a universal context. The film is more enduring about what they capture in the celluloid that pulls the audience and the critics deeper into the film. This story is understandable in every society and makes it more distinctive in this list. The sixth movie is Imayau. Death is just only the beginning. Like it is said in many movies, in this Lijo Jose Pellicheri masterpiece, he shows us death is just a fact of life. The messiness happened in the funeral where nothing goes as planned in the simple act of death. This subject made this movie unique and a mesmerizing experience. Imayau is a dialect used in funeral meaning rest in peace. The first shot of this movie begins with the funeral in a plain land, showing the beach and the vast ocean. The movie only has small throwaway lines and gestures which reveals a word. In the previous movies of Lijo Jose Pellicheri, he showcases to tell the truth to the audience, made this movie a unique piece of art. which makes me think this is an Oscar-worthy movie from South India. He shows us jokes in most bizarre situation, which reminded me the quote of M.D. Vasudevan Nair, "Death is a clown with no sense of humor." The cast in this movie made a huge impact that gives this movie more depth. The cinematography and every frame in this movie is mind-blowing and was conceived by Shaiju Khalid. He captures the beauty of Kerala, showing only the truth in long, unbroken takes. We see so many reflections of human emotions such as grief, insults, humor, guilt, selfish, pity, and greedy. This raw, hilarious, and miserable take on human life made this movie on this list. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share your thoughts in the comment section below and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. This is Suraj signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.